I think it's gonna explode colors.
Yeah, it's supposed to. Shut off. Somebody told me. Somebody told me I look like Aaron Judge, just like a couple days ago. Shout out Aaron Judge.
Shout out to Aaron Judge. Brother, what the f was that?
Yo, that shit hummed it though. I hit that or I hit this? Oh shit. shit, my bad.
Lock it, bro. You put the flag back in.
Hold on.
Brother! Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy.
I'm already a little tipsy, Zach. You know what I'm saying? Here we go.
America! Hold on. I'm about to say, oh, I thought you were about to go. All right.
No.
Hold on.
You want this? You
Yes,
want the
sir.
hammer?
I got this one.
See, it's harder than it looks, right?